In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, keeping a proper backup of your data is crucial. Let's dive in to ensure your financial data is securely backed up and easily accessible whenever you need it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Zoho Books account. Once logged in, you'll enter a realm of financial data right at your fingertips. If you're not already familiar with the dashboard, take a moment to peruse the various options. You'll find everything laid out in a user-friendly manner designed to make navigation as intuitive as possible. Now that you're comfortably settled on your dashboard, the next step is to look for the highlight feature. This is where you'll set your sights. This easy-to-spot feature is essential as it acts as the doorway to accessing deeper settings where the magic of data backup happens. Think of this process as a treasure hunt with your backup as the prize at the end. After successfully locating and clicking on the highlight, your journey will next take you to the Data Administration section. This is an important juncture, as this part of the settings menu offers a variety of options regarding data management. Here, you take the wheel to control how your financial information is curated, maintained, and most importantly, safeguarded. The next logical step is to click on the Data Backup tab. By doing so, you'll be directed to an area dedicated to creating and managing backups of your vital data. Understanding the need to have the safeguard in place is essential, as it acts as a digital safety net, ensuring that all your hard work isn't lost to the ether. Once inside the data backup zone, you have the freedom to back up your data as needed. This area is designed with efficiency and security in mind, ensuring that you can quickly back up your financial records with just the click of a button. By regularly backing up your data, you can protect against unexpected data loss, whether due to system errors, accidental deletion, or cyber threats. Remember, consistent data backup is a best practice in data management, especially when dealing with sensitive financial information. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that your records remain intact and are always within reach when you need them. And there you have it, a solid routine for backing up your data within Zoho Books, safeguarding against potential data loss. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your data safe and regularly backed up to ensure peace of mind.